Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to move an expense from one report to another in Expensify. Now the first thing I want you to do is switch over to Expensify Classic, okay? Because you cannot do this on the new Expensify. I have tried it out. It was not possible. So this is how you switch over. You come to the left-hand panel, click on Account, and then scroll down, click on Switch to Expensify Classic. It will redirect you to the Classic one. And now I just want you to locate the expense that you want to move. So let's scroll down. By the way, you can only do this for open expenses. So let's do this one right here. So just select the expense. You can note this expense report. Then all you need to do is come to the top right once it is selected. Click on Add to Report. Then you can either add this to a new report entirely, or you can add this to another open report. So let's add it to this one right here. So I'll click on this, and there we go. It has been added to this report. They're both in the same report, as you can see. And that is how you move an expense from one report to another in Expensify.